So the best way to add variation to your images in Midjourney is by using chaos. And the best way to remember chaos is memorizing an acronym that I've come up with called W.A.V.E. With added variation, expect the unexpected. The chaos or C parameter influences how varied the initial image grids are. High chaos values will produce more unusual and unexpected results and compositions. Lower chaos values have more reliable, repeatable results. Chaos accepts values between 0 to 100 and the default chaos value is at 0. So it's given an example here of a hybrid between a watermelon and an owl. Okay, so quite an interesting example. Using a low chaos value or not specifying a value will produce initial image grids that are similar each time a job basically is every time you generate a series of images, so like a grid, that's a job, is run. So a prompt example, imagine/prompt watermelon owl hybrid --C 0. So this is the default value, of course, of chaos. So that's what it's come back with. And then using a low chaos value or not specifying a value will produce initial image grids that are slightly varied each time a job is run. So let's do our own example now. Within Midjourney, I'm going to combine two animals together and let's see what it generates. And now you can see an example that I've done here already. A hybrid of a kangaroo and a lion, initially with the default value of 0 for the chaos parameter, and then I've gone up by increments of 25 every time to make it slightly different. Out of that, I like the fourth one the most. That's the most epic looking, although the second one is quite reasonable as well. And then of course it just gets a little wilder and wilder every time, like that little fella there. That's cool. If that was in a film, I'd be really into it, like the next Avatar or something. And then you've got the third one here, that's really striking, and it just gets wilder and wilder, more unpredictable. This is 75 now, and then the last one, oh, that's really cute. They almost look like rabbits a little bit. That's so adorable, amazing. So that's all, guys. We've gone through what the chaos parameter is. I have preceded that by going over the acronym of W.A.V.E. With added variation, expect the unexpected. That's the W.A.V.E. acronym. And basically, when you memorize that acronym, you'll know what chaos does, essentially. And the technical grammar for chaos, to go over it again quickly, is --C. And you can do anywhere from 0 to 100. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful at all, feel free to give a thumbs up and also comment down below what you want to see next. It'd be really interesting to know that information so I can create more videos that are aligned to you as a viewer. So until next time, my name's W.A.V.E. and see you soon.